Ryan Foley, Spyglass Property Inspections. We are here performing an inspection at a house in the Western Springs area, and you can see I have my electrical panel inside a big bathroom, which is a complete no-no for many reasons. For water, obviously next to the sink, but also for moisture getting into the panel and rusting everything out. As we come a little bit closer to this panel, we're in an area where you can only run conduit, which is hard pipe, and you can see up here in this corner, that little white plastic, I have things running in Romex, which is not allowed. And then when we come to my main feed, my 100 amp feed coming in, you can see two smaller wires coming into that main. This is double tapping the main breaker. I'm overfusing my panel, which is a big safety issue. So we need an electrical professional contractor to come out and to upgrade and move this panel. Ryan Foley, Spyglass Property Inspections. Happy Friday.